This model illustrates area of the sector as well as area of the circle. If it is 360 degree, the central angle, it is going to form a circle. So let's see that. So area of the shaded region equal to pi r square by 4 because it is the 1/4 of the circle. So the area of the sector is, if you know the central angle, so half of the central angle into radius square. That is the area of the sector. Here central angle is pi by 2. So half of the pi by 2 is pi by 4. So central angle divided by 2 into radius square. So now let's move this let's move this red point. Okay, so now it is semicircle. So central angle is pi. So the area of shaded region is pi by 2 r square. So now move on to push that point. Now it is 3/4 of the circle. So the central angle is 3 pi by 2. So the area of the shaded region is 3 pi by 4 because central angle divided by 2 into radius square. Now let us get into the full circle. So now it is full circle. So central angle is 2 pi. Therefore, half of the 2 pi is pi. Therefore, area of the shaded region is pi r square. So play around this model and understand the area of the shaded regions or area of the sector as well as area of the circle.